Welcome to ISTV English News. First, the top stories. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Okendro says there is no shortage of fuel. Appeals to people not to make panic purchase of fuel. And Infantile Power Corporation ready to take its first giant step. Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited to take stern action against tax defaulters and unauthorized consumers. Now the news in detail. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister M. Okendro today made it clear that there is no shortage of fuel in Manipur, and appealed to the people not to be guided by misconceptions and make a rush for purchasing fuel in unnecessary panic. The minister made the appeal while talking to ISTV News exclusively this morning. In view of the emerging situation of a sudden rush for petrol and diesel at the filling stations in and around Imphal and closure of the oil pumps on the ground that there is no stock, a meeting of the officials of Indian Oil Corporation, Imphal West SP and Imphal East Additional SP was held at the official quarter of Minister Okendro this morning. While talking to ISTV News in the middle of the meeting, Minister Okendro said the situation of a bit of oil shortage at the pumps is due to the sudden stoppage of transport of oil by the oil tankers following the murder of a driver and handyman of an oil tanker by unknown persons at Sivsagar in Assam. Moreover, as there has been a bank strike all over India, the retail outlets couldn't send their bank drafts earlier. He said there is an abundant stock of petrol at least for 13 days in the oil depot at Chingmerong. For kerosene, there is a stock for 25 days, and for diesel, 16 days quantity is in the stock, the minister said. He appealed to the people not to hoard oil with the wrong conception that oil will not be available in the state. From tomorrow, petrol and diesel will be supplied in plenty. Even though some people call ban or blockade, the government will always try to make fuel available to the people. He also advised the retail outlet owners to try to make fuel available in advance if they know that the banks are going to go on strike.
미양기 미훈의 사선도 왜 그거 다져 비드게디 가나나 하이브도 다져 도이노 swai드니 코이네 양 안갖고 바우저리세 에코일레 이제 파기 있는데 코일레 이버 카운슬 오브 미니스터 두가 틱틱 라우버 congress government 이제 시우마 매암지 텍네게 시우마 매암지 세바도게 레이니 세세 코이네 government 하이브시 로비드리 가나보 하이르게 다져더게 도이 머니푸르 미암다기 칸보 파미 아드나 아이나 STB기 구당다 머니푸르 미암다 두가 레비리바 뿌는막다 타우 로비리바 컨슈머 쿠딩막다 미파이드나 government 시부 다져가 탐비고 두가 세사 키울레 펄라게 코이시 야나 사손 레이터바 아두가 테 코이시 게임터 칸다바가 타한버세 도원 비게노 아드나 머니푸르 미암기 타와트나바
Senior depot manager said there is plenty of stock in the oil depot. At present, there are more than 100 oil tankers parked at Khatkati. There are also fully loaded oil tankers at the interstate bus terminus at Kumanlam Park.
aduga loina na khoina khot khoti da hoji hoji ga khogi gari sang mani phumanga standing oiraga manipur langna ba le
SP of Imphal West District Jayanta appealed to the people to give up the habit of hoarding oil at home. This not only troubles oneself but also becomes a main factor for danger to the surrounding people. Police have received reports that some people are hoarding oil at home and selling at very high price. He appealed to the people to inform the police if someone is hoarding oil.
Police ki citing so every keno kuting makisa laga officers ngi salaga awareness pbc awdama khoi ki level da sudu honari.
The new power corporation, which is hardly 2 weeks old, is now all set to take its first giant step. For the first time, Manipur State Power Distribution Company necessary preparation to start consumers. Since February 1st, when the former Department of Electricity Government of Manipur was transformed into the new incarnation of Power Corporation, the state run two companies, namely Manipur State Power Company and Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, have been running the affairs of electricity in the state. According to information received from a top-level officer of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, a large number of consumers, including many departments of the state government, are still to pay more than Rs 400 crore as tax. As such, the Power Authority is facing a lot of difficulties in trying to improve the position of electricity in the state. Therefore, the Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited will start from February 17 onward. The authority will take help of the state police during the drive against unauthorized connections and those who fail to pay tax. According to the source, this drive will be different from the earlier ones. Defaulters will be punished according to Electricity Act 2003. Those who are stealthily using power are warned to get power connections as per rules, and those who have not paid tax are warned to pay up the tax before things like arrest happen. The source further disclosed that the drive will be launched by the staffs of the company along with the help of police day or night, just like the security forces conduct combing operation in local areas. There will be no room of favoritism or nepotism in the drive. Those arrested will be produced in the court and will get punishment as per law. The company's target is to collect at least rupees 300 crore by the month of March. The indefinite blockade on 2 national highways announced by All Travel Students Union Manipur Atsum, scheduled to commence on February 16, has been called off following a meeting with the representatives of the government yesterday, Education Minister M. Okendro told ISTV News.
Hujib ban gi habisisu ngarang Assam gi kangbu chief secretary ki thak tawari sanaduna yanabasu purokhrabani aduna atop metric parkhana lakpa tei high secondary parkha lakpa tang kundagi hodoini aduna satra gi maige dagi han education minister amoina lebiriba ban togudoba kangbu tei lebedasu lebak interest ban blockade tobidana ba ka site ki appeal tawjari.
Oath taking ceremony of the 8th batch students of Irengbam Thamsa Devi Nursing and Healthcare Research Institute, Uripo Koshnamlekai, was held at GM Hall today. Retired Professor of RIMS Dr. T.H. Premchand, founder of the institute Irengbam Ibotombi said nurses need to be very careful while treating patients. People choosing nurse as their profession should sacrifice themselves and serve the patients. Residents of Tagel Kolomlekai today staged a sit-in protest in front of KVS Brickfield, Langsing, demanding immediate punishment to the driver responsible for the death of Ayekpam Merazao, age 65, who was killed in a road mishap at Langsing Chingmaning on February 10th. Protesters stormed the KVS Brickfield, claiming Merazao was run over by a vehicle of the firm. One of the women protesters insisted on punishing the responsible driver according to law at once.
Adumana leramiba taramba pibamdu ma yamthina choe aduga postmortem report chu magi charu min backbone ga loina te e ade na kongda itaba kapa tawame chi matang sida magi gari na taba atopa gari jangda bam pham sida ahana china ta na leramba sida makhoina karamba ngachi phawda khoina chini chmai tawbane habado kari momta lakai sida hairaktere khoina puthu photo nangrang dagi na dagi manguda takna bada mana karamba langla langjem ta puthorakte bani na ngachi khoi lakai myam sina penda badagi khoi magi mang sida dharna si tawbani haji chu khoina pame bachi magi karama gari na thengbono na mana gari number magi gari na thengbone habi chima dita cheng ta chenge ajon gari dune driver dune puthopiu mayam sida
Before we wind up, a quick glance at the top stories once again. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Okendro says there is no shortage of fuel, appeals to people not to make panic purchase of fuel, and Infantile Power Corporation ready to take its first giant step. Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited to take stern action against tax defaulters and unauthorized consumers. That's all for today, and thanks for joining us.